Alright, got this 2010 Outback 2.5i. Has just over 180,000 K, and the owner was just telling me that they've had to fill up the coolant 4 times now in a short period of time, and the overheat, or the red coolant light, has come on the dash. So I have a suspicion that it might be head gaskets. Yes, 2010s still do have this problem if it's 2.5i, and I'm going to show you guys how to quickly test this at home. You're going to need what's called a block tester. It tests for hydrocarbons in the coolant system, and then also you just need to grab the dye that goes in it. So I'm going to set this up and then let the car idle for a bit, and that should give us a good reading of if there's any hydrocarbons inside here, which would tell us that there's a head gasket leak. So here's the tester and the dye. There's a level here to tell you where to put the dye to, and then once you put it in, just obviously make sure that the car is cold, so you'll let the cap, so you don't want to open this up hot. Basically this goes on here, and then there's a pump here that will take some of the vapors, I guess it would be, from the cooling system. So you want to make sure there's no coolant up to the top here, because you don't want to suck it into the tester. But I'll just start up the engine. Stays blue, it's okay. If it turns yellow or green, that means that there's hydrocarbons or exhaust gas in the cooling system of the vehicle. I'm going to give it a few hits of the throttle to try and get some more vapors in there, if there are any. There's based on that test, I'm going to say that this engine is good. And so now we're going to dig a bit further and maybe replace the thermostat, because again, there's no service history on this car. So we'll do thermostat, that's easy. And then we can also test to see if the fans are actually turning on when it gets up to operating temp, which is what I'll do now. But that's all for this video. So hope that helps you guys learn how to test your head gaskets. It's a good thing to check when you're buying a used Subaru as well. The thing almost fell. But yeah, just this tool. Pretty cheap. I got it on Amazon, and the dye on Amazon as well. Thanks for watching.